I'm not sure we're supposed to notice infrastructure or things like regional planning. If it's working, you kind of don't notice it. And yet, it's important that we know that it's there and it's working for us. Wastewater infrastructure, it's pipes underground, and it's a big plant down by the river where most people don't go. It's subterranean, it's out of sight, out of mind, and yet it delivers all these benefits in terms of public health, water quality, and livability to our communities. So we'd better pay attention to it, and we better be willing as a community to invest in it. Because if it went away or if it was degraded, we'd sure notice that.
We're located in the city of Mound. The council's portion of this work mainly consists of replacing and installing a new dual 18-inch force main line.
We're in Hopkins, Minnesota. We're building a lift station right now.
Today we're on the Roseville-St. Paul Sewer Interceptor Rehabilitation Project.
This line runs approximately a little over 3 miles down the south and connects into another interceptor line down at County Road 7.
We're taking the sewage from Hopkins, bringing it into the lift station, treating it, grinding it, screening it, and then eventually using 4 large pumps to pump the sewage up and into the new force main lines that we're putting in as a part of this project, down through Minneapolis and eventually to the wastewater plant in St. Paul.
Behind me, the crew is pulling in the lining for an existing interceptor that's in good enough condition that we can line and not have to put all brand new pipe in. It's best to line a pipe because it's more economical for the community to do that than the open cut.
Once the cities were contacted, they saw an opportunity to work with the Metropolitan Council to update some of their own utilities, given that everything was running along the same corridor. It's important that we all sit down and work together on a project, especially one at this size and nature. It gives us all the opportunity to help complete the project in a timely manner, and we're also trying to minimize the impact of the community and the residents who have to try to maintain their daily routines while we're working, tearing up their streets and having all the noisy construction equipment around. We're making sure that we won't have to come back and disturb any of the residents for a long time to come in the future.
It's our job to maintain and keep the environment clean of wastewater, have proper conveyance to the treatment plants to ensure that no environmental damage and health issues arise from wastewater being introduced into the streams and waters and lakes of the 7-county metro area.
We can't leave out the individual residents. They own part of the system. They own the part of the system from their house to the pipes in the street. The city owns the pipes in the street, and the Met Council owns the pipes that collect all of the sewage from the various communities, and they also own the treatment systems. We all have to work together to make sure that all of that waste is contained and collected and brought to those treatment facilities in order for this system to work and provide those public health benefits, to provide those environmental health benefits that help preserve the health of the environment and the quality of life of the residents in our communities.